Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I had forgotten about this order that I placed at Club Echo Park. I am really excited to show it to you, so let's start. This is the By the Sea collection by Cartabella, and I did get it from Club Echo Park. 10% discount. Their sticker page. Really cute nautical theme. You can make some good masculine cards with this. And I love the wood grain, of course. Plaid. Stripes. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I do have some seahorse dies, so this is awesome. For pretty flowers and stars. Beautiful lighthouses. And some cut-aparts for the big cards. Anchors. And wood grain. I believe I have one of these that I got from scrapbook.com. Cool. Some more stripes and beautiful lighthouses. On the background is the wood grain. The life preservers and whales. How cute. Black Starry Night. That would be cute for a Christmas card, too. And then some pretty sayings. Red, the crabs. The stripes. And some more wood grain, paneling. And these are 3x4s. I make these with my Fun Fold cards. And more anchors. And this is just a nice little hodgepodge. And then it's just a front page. All right, very cool, very cool. Now we have Fall Break. This is also by Cartabella. This is fall. Love it. And believe it or not, that is coming up. It's nice to be able to get a hold of paper pads and embellishments in advance so we can go ahead and get our cards made. We were just discussing that on our live stream the other day. Here's the beautiful sticker sheet. A lot of fun. Big truck here. Little truck. Very cute. Ooh, pretty flowers. Stripes. And these flowers are in a pitcher. That's really cute. Little leaves. Pumpkins. Some more little leaves. And some really cute. You can cut them out or just use it as a background. Acorns. And I love the vintagey feel to it. It looks like it's almost been sponged with antique linen or something. And here's some big, beautiful orange plaid. And here's some little cute sunflower I like in the tree, the leaves. Here's a nice little fall mash there. And here's some strips. Here's some polka dots. And more gourds. and wreaths. I have a wreath to put out on the front door. More plaid. And pretty trees. Love that. Here's an interesting design. And trucks and bicycles. And wheelbarrows. And more plaid here, and a big scene. I think that would be better for a scrapbook page. I'm excited to get this, and we will be making cards, of course. And so I hope you join me for that. Thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.